Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing only sniper friends. Oh, just kidding. But we're just doing playground on snipers only. Bunny hop, oh god dang it. Oh yeet. You wanna use infantry rifles too? Okay. Infantry rifles and did you have fall damage on? Do you have keep inventory on too? Serious. Okay. Even though there's this thing called white hit or miss, I guess they never miss.
Okay, crossbow counts as sniper, right?
Yeah, crossbows count.
Can we use plungers and dynamite?
No. You can only use
Can
the.
we use plungers?
No.
Yeah, just plungers.
No. I'm just kidding. We can use them. I know you found some, that's why you're asking. Haha, I found something that's considered a sniper. You're not allowed to use a shotgun.
Are we allowed to use shotgun?
Yes, you're allowed to use. Oops, you're allowed to use anything. This has a scope on it, or is it consumable?
Ooh,
Hunting rifle. Yes, anything in the sniper category counts. Cause I have a scope thermal.
I'm lagging again.
Wait, you on me? You chill out. Hold on, I'm trying to do something. Oh. Gimme. I just got a suppressed sniper. Where are you, huh? Trying to fight? Ah!
What? You didn't.
That
What?
was close. Do you have an infantry rifle? There's a gray one at the vending machine in the place you died. Oh, go with me now. See the infantry rifle's right there. Infantry. I can't say it. I keep calling it infinity rifle. Probably getting made fun of for saying it like that. Wait, this is a normal bolt. I thought they took out. Oh, it's playground. My bad. This is playground, so there is a bolt. Where are you? You shockwave grenaded, and now I don't know where you are. Quit hiding. Where are you? Quit throwing these. Show your face. God dang it. Are you serious? Where are you? Just show your face. Oh, I heard you. Heard you walking. Oh, there you are. I haven't used one of these guns in so long. .360, blah, blah, blah. Aw.
I'm lagging too, though. I used all my plungers.
I thought that was a blue infantry rifle, but it's not. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep now. Your mom is worse than mine. Oh, where's you at? Hurry up and get your loot. You take 10 years. Tell me when you're ready. You ready? Just say when you're ready. I'm trying to no-scope you right now. Where you at, kid? Come get in my house.
I'm about to leave.
No. Come get in my house. No, I don't. You can look at my inventory. See, I don't have a trap. Come get in my house. Come get in my house, though. Just come get in my house. This is my welcome to my house. We are mining diamonds. Ah! No, our stuff got mixed. Screw this game. I know how much stuff I had, though.
I know what I had.
Welcome to my mine. We are mining.
You have the grenades. You have the much better.
I'm missing my. There you go. Wait, did you have a hunting rifle?
Yes.
Okay. Where's my grenades? Yeah. Where you at, kid? Oh, you're right there. Who you thought? You for real not have an infantry rifle?
I'll be for what?
Wow, my aim is garbage.
Why can't you do it for what?
Still a piece of garbage. Where'd you go? There you are. Vroom. Where? I need a crossbow. I'll give you the crossbow for this infantry rifle. Do you want to do that? Crossbow for infantry rifle? Don't. Why? Because I'm making a video. That's why. About to. I'm just wanting to hit that no scope. Ah. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Ooh! Yay. Where do you think you're going? Okay, I'm gonna actually try and kill you now. Ew! Nasty little joker. Where'd you go? Ow! Dude, I'm one hit. You'll never take me alive. You just lagged. Ow. Take anything, you're gay. Oh no, I forgot fall damage is on because you don't know how to make rolls. Why? You rage quitting? Oh, okay. Mwah. Mwah. Okay. Okay. Well, that'd do it for that.